What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a pair of custom Air Force Ones. We are going to be doing a all purple. We're going to add some rope laces. We're going to do some stencil work. So stay tuned. Make sure to drop that like button, subscribe, and let's just get straight into it. I already know we are going to start by removing these laces. So this person wanted some the off-white style laces, so I'm gonna get my drill out. I'm going to get my loop rings out, and they're also gonna have some rope laces in here. So I am going to drill the lace holes, and I'm gonna put the off-white style rings in here, or the holes, before I actually start airbrushing or putting any stencils onto the shoe. So we prepped the shoe, so we removed the laces, we acetone the shoe, we drilled the holes out for the rope laces and the holes for the loop rings for our off-white style laces. Now this person does want a name across the shoe on white, so what I'm gonna do is actually lay down a stencil. I'm gonna go into Cricut Design Space, create that stencil, and then I'll put it onto the shoe. Okay, so I finally got the stencil on. I am going to start loading or prepping my airbrush with the purple paint. I am going to add some duller into it just to make it a matte finish as well. Before I do that, I do want to tape off the bottoms because I think I want to leave this bottom white so it can match kind of the word or the name here. I am going to end up painting the sock liner as well, but I am going to paint the shoe first. So I'm gonna tape off the bottoms and then we'll get to airbrushing.
To tell me what to do. Read my interview, so I do. Escape my avenue with you. Said you were passing through. Was I and from the way? When I asked you to be cool about what I was telling you, you did the opposite of what you said you'd do. And I tend to go afraid. Don't say it isn't fair. You clearly weren't aware that you made me miserable. So if you really wanna know when I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. Something great to write myself to tell me what to do.
Got the full shoe all airbrushed. Now I'm gonna go in and mix some duller with my matte acrylic finisher and then go over the entire shoe. And I'm gonna end up taking off the stencil that's on the shoe as well. And then I am going to go ahead and put in the loops for the off-white style laces. And just like that, we got the complete shoe. All purple, white bottoms, name across the side, the off-white style laces, and the rope laces. Let me know what you guys think of this custom. It's just a simple, you know, but cool custom with the off-white style. I would definitely rock something like this. So let me know if you guys would down in the comment section. Make sure to smash that like, subscribe, hit that post bell notification. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.